Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about 9 reasons you're losing traffic on your website. Website traffic is one of the most important key performance indicators for most businesses. Traffic leads to inquiries and sales, and consistent visits from the same users mean repeat customers. When your site traffic suddenly dips or your rankings plummet, it will create lost opportunities that affect your conversions and sales. Here are the 9 most common reasons for traffic drops. 1. Recent website changes. Besides possibly detecting the obvious hosting hiccup, check for recent changes. Design changes often impact load times, which is not seen well by search engines. Additionally, use Google Analytics to see if all traffic sources are decreasing or only a specific one. Last but not least, make sure to check the SERPs, search engine results pages. And if you aren't already, start monitoring SERPs regularly. 2. The tracking code. One of the most overlooked causes of traffic drops, assuming someone is relying on something like Google Analytics, is a change or issue with the site's tracking code. Analytics plugins or website code changes can often cause issues with tracking code and thus cause discrepancies in analytics reporting. Always double-check the tracking code before spending time troubleshooting elsewhere. 3. Trends over time. When analyzing traffic on client applications, web, native, assess trends over time for total traffic and the associated segments. Understanding seasonal trends, business cycles by traffic medium, channel and campaign is critical to understanding if the drop is normal. Once a baseline is established, assess if there are non-normal changes, and isolate the issue with cause and effect analysis. 4. The low-hanging fruit. Simple technical issues. Use the simple publicly available tools to find technical problems. Google Analytics, Google Webmaster Tools, Google's mobile-friendly test, Alexa, Moz, Why Slow, and more. Fix the simple things first. 404 errors, long page load times. Missing, incorrect on-page SEO, search engine optimization, elements, etc. Move on to more philosophical issues. Performance optimization, A/B testing, user experience, UX, heat mapping, etc. 5. Information architecture. Is the client's website structured well? How effective is their internal link strategy? Are they creating droves of orphaned pages simply for the sake of blogging? Were there recent design changes that significantly increased bounce rates and the number of people pogos sticking back to the search results? Six. Server overload. Web servers can easily become overloaded and should be one of the first things that are looked into when a website goes down. It's very common that the website may not be able to keep up with demand from people visiting the site. Therefore, it's vital to optimize your website and be ready for high traffic spikes to avoid downtime. 7. Meta information. Meta information is where Google pulls keyword information from your website in order to rank you. First, check to see if someone has accidentally removed their meta information. It happens a lot. If the meta setup is intact, view Google Analytics to see if the drop came from organic, paid, or social. If it's from paid, check your AdWords campaign. If it's from organic, check your robots.txt, sitemap.xml, SSL, etc. 8. Global traffic. While there are many reasons, from server issues to traffic sources and even something as simple as broken tracking, I would suggest checking the geographic distribution of the traffic. Today, most apps and websites have global traffic. For content owners that have traffic from emerging markets, government-level blocking or censorship can cause gradual to sudden dips, depending on how sophisticated they are in detecting IPs. 9. Source of traffic. If your organic traffic suddenly declines, there are some SEO issues that you're dealing with. Either your website was updated and search engines aren't indexing you the same way as before, or a search engine changed the way they index your website. If your paid traffic dropped, but your spending has remained the same, your ads are no longer as effective as they were before. Thanks for watching.